you for having me in this conference. Again, let me introduce myself. My name is Rattanisa Suphachaturas, and you're correct in spell in my name. And today, my task. I'm a head of dispute resolution group in the DIP Department of Intellectual Property, Ministry of Commerce in Thailand. And today I will share all of you about the IP mediation in Thailand, what it we work for, and First of all, I would like to show you about the government agency that provide mediation service for IP dispute in Thailand. We have 4 keys government agency in Thailand. The first is the Thailand Arbitration Center, or THAC, is under the Ministry of Justice. And the second is Department of Intellectual Property, or DIP, is under of the Ministry of Commerce, where I'm working. And the third is the Central IP International Trade Court, or IP Court. And the last one is the Royal Thai Police. The Royal Thai Police already have the mediation process long times ago. Normally will be just only about the general case. It's not IP field, such as the family case or the commercial case. But if talk about just only in IP field, nowadays the Royal Thai Police adapt to use the mediation service in that the police station too. And if talk about just only the ADR service in Department of Intellectual Property, we have 3 types of service: arbitration, mediation, and conciliation. And we have the rule that called Ministerial Rule on Arbitration and Ministerial Rule on Conciliation in IPR. And about the mediation itself, it takes place in the 2 rules of this. And the article said the party should meditate before refer to the arbitration on conciliation process. And the most popular, the service in Thailand nowadays is mediation process. Why is the most popular? Because in the course in this process is no half charge in mediation, and the neutral that be the mediator is the consists of the IP official. And we have in the committee, we have 4 people in the committee. The first one is a chairman, will be the expert in relevant in that IP field. And the second one is the legal officer. And the third one is the examiner, such as the patent field, or it will be the official that have a duty in the trademark. And the last one is the secretary of the committee, is a head of dispute resolution as me. And you will see if comparison with 3 process of this, the arbitration and conciliation is not from the DIP office. It will be the panelists, or will be the ad hoc that party should select that expertise to do the arbitrator or conciliator. And the rule of neutral that all of you already know about, likely familiar about this, is so different, right? The mediator will be just only facilitator, and the conciliator will authority process. But in Thailand, in mediation process, the mediator in Thailand, we have to be advisory too, because of they think we are the legal officer. Sometimes in the roundtable of the meeting, they ask us about the opinion about if that in infringement case, do you think this is the infringement or not, or do you think this the trademark is similar to another one or not? It can be the facilitator in the real fact that we are the mediator. And about the cost that I said, the mediation is no have charge, and the cost of arbitration and conciliation is have the fee and cost, but not much than cost of the court. And the solution and outcome, I think, is the same as all of the country is in the same level. The arbitration, the outcome is arbitral award, right? And the mediation and conciliation is settlement agreement. And about the enforcing, if the arbitration, the award can apply to the IP court directly. But if the mediation and conciliation process may result in litigation with the IP court as a legal binding. And about the scope of dispute in ADR service in Thailand, same as another country, is about any dispute that IP field and other disputes that related with IP too, such as trade name, domain name, or line or Facebook profile name or contract. And if you would like to join in the mediation service in Thailand, we serve three types. It depends on your convenience. You can in person at the DIP office, or you can join by online, or you can hybrid, such as in the first meeting, you would like to join by online first to know about, just only give the information to the mediator, it's okay too. Or another, or in next step of meeting, you can like in person at the DIP, is okay too. And this is the example of the statistic of the mediation in DIP. All of the total case in DIP right now since October 2002 to July 2024 is 726 cases. And the first rank of the field of IP is copyright, is around 411 cases, is count 57%. And the second rank is the trademark field, is around 30%. And if you will see the settle and non-settlement about the copyrights, the number is nearly together. It doesn't mean about the mediator is work or not, but it means it depends on the two parties can fix together or not, or the option can match together or not. But the advantage of this amount is because of they would like to join to mediation process. And we try to collect about the information about each case of the type of the copyright dispute. What is the high level of the dispute in the copyright? The first one is picture, 27%, and the second one is agreements such as licensing or franchising, and the third one is literary works, is 16%. And today I would like to show about the sample of the mediation cases in Thailand. This is the contact, the case of the contact. The fact is the claimant party is a videographer and was hired by disputant to make an advertising video. And both parties agreed to terminate the contact. The disputant agreed to pay the compensation 30,000 baht, which paid 5,000 baht due payment not paid, 25 baht. And the dispute of this is failure to pay the compensation. And about the claimants, what request the party to file for the mediation process for due payment 25,000 baht. And in the end, this is can successfully to settlement agreement. But you will see in the request that they would like in the contact that they would like that the claimant would like 30,000 baht, right? But in the end, the negotiation take place. They reduce the compensation to 25,000 baht and interest for 1,100 baht. And its payment will be made 7 monthly installment after the agreement date. It means in the settlement agreement is so flexible. If the claimant would like to negotiate and reduce the claim about that to give another party to instrument this compensation is okay too. It's so flexible. It's the advantage of the mediation process. And the second case that I would like to show is the likelihood of the confusion of trademark. The fact is the claimant was an authorized agent dealer of the instant coffee of the requesting party trademark. The authorized agent dealer contract was expired. The disputant has made a coffee product and packaging which is similar to the requesting party's trademark. The request party claimed that it make a consumer confused about the trademark, and the dispute is the use the similar of the trademark, and request of the compliments is stop to using similar trademark on the products and changing the business name and to restrict person's name to the name that not confusing with the requesting trademark. And in the end, the two parties can settle agreement together, but it's not draft from the DIP in the mediator process. But they would like to draft the settle agreement by themselves. And in this case, in DIP, we think this case is successfully because we have the meeting together with two parties too. And in this case, we have I think 3 times of meeting until they can settle agreement by themselves like this. And after that, the requesting party informed the DIP about he certified and request to withdraw the mediation process. That is one of the example that we face to. And the third one is copyright case study in the artwork photo. The fact is the claimant published the respondent published the claimant's photo in his page on Facebook without permission. In the end, the settlement agreement is respondent agreed to compensate the claimant for the photo publication in the Thai baht. But this thing that I would like to show is nowadays the infringement like this in Thai is high level because some of people in Thai, they lack of knowledge about the photo in internet is not for free. It have the condition. And sometimes they just think just copy and paste and do not anything such as like didn't take note about what is the photo is come from, what is the website. And it have the infringement more than in nowadays. And in the other hand, when we have the be a mediator, we have to give acknowledge to the infringer too about this knowledge about they cannot do this. They have to give the permission to another party first, such as this. And this is we collect the outcome of the mediation in Thailand to know about it's so flexible in Thailand about the settle agreement. Normally it can pay damages, right? And if the contract dispute maybe is fulfill their contractual obligation, and or if be a case that infringement can stop infringement selling or reproducing, and is the highlighting is negotiation business together, because some of the mediation process we can transfer the trademark together with the payment and another legal action. And this is we collect about the claim versus the final agreement, the claim that claimant claim in the first time that requests another party to pay the compensation versus the final agreement that they can pay together. Such as 2018, if the claimant would like to request 100%, in fact, in the end of the settle agreement, maybe they will just got just only 15%, or you will see 2020-22, can final agreement just only 32%. And if amount overall 2018 to 2023, the all of the claim 517K US dollar in the claim that in the first claimants. In the end, the outcome, the claimant just only got the compensation just only 107K US dollar. It can make just only 20%. It means sometimes the owner, especially the copyright owner, just thought about the compensation that they would give is so high level in amount, and in actually the case on the dispute is not much than they thought. It means why we have to collect the data like this. And about to cooperation to develop ADR process. What is DAP do during 2020 to 2024? On December 2020, we developed IP dispute resolution process with the THAC that I mentioned in area to mediation online platform together, because in DIP we are not have the platform itself, but we try to use another organization that already serve the platform in ADR, and right now THAC already have the platform. It's called TalkDD. And 2022 we signed MOU with the WIPO to promote of ADR service, and we signed MOU to part with DAP, THNIC that have the foundation with the domain name .th in Thai with the WIPO to cooperate with the domain name, because nowadays we think the domain name dispute maybe in the future is more high level. And in this year, January, we signed MOU with the IP court to cooperation of the mediation service together, because we would like, in the end, when the party already settled the agreement, that agreement could be such as the effective to the IP court. And what is challenge in Thailand in DIP? We think, as I mentioned about the copyright dispute, the compensation that owner think about they can give is so high level. And as the mediator in DIP, we are not judge, right? We are not determined to understand about what is the proper about compensation. But the thing that we can do is to would like the party to show about the evidence about if you said you have the compensate like this, what is the evidence that you would like to share to the committee? It can make it proper. And the second is to advise party to use the mediation service during the opposition process in trademark or patent, such as the EU IPO. But because of in DIP, we now have the law that force the party to join in this process. But we think if the entrepreneur or the party know in the opposition process or revoke or cancellation process can join the mediation service too. It can reduce the backlog in Thailand. And I think the third one is skill in domain name dispute resolution in Thailand. Right now, we hard to find the expertise that specialize in this field. And the last one is role of DIP in mediation process for the international infringement, because nowadays we still no have no the cases that on the board between another country, and it's the experience that we can email to another agency, and it's not work about to deal to the mediation process, and we have to work with rule before. That is all that I would like to share about the DIP mediation service. Thank you.